So I just replaced my little temperature sensor in the dashboard right here. That was making a little fan noise. And it was super easy. I didn't follow the service manual. I followed Cayenne Chen's advice. And I took off the top thing here with just the 2 bolts that hide back in the holes here and here. Took the top part off. This one guy at the bottom was kind of broken already. So he just came off the bottom. And then I reached around and pulled it towards my hand and it popped out. Pulled this little tongue down and the sensor came out, replaced it with a brand new one, and then I just lined it up on the left side and gave it a little push. It went plop, plop. And now it's in there, and I'll put that back together.